Hey everybody, here we have a couple Carrier Weathermaker commercial units.
Carrier Weathermaker.
There's a compressor.
The second one right there.
It's cool seeing a commercial unit up close because they're usually on the roof.
Weatherfaker.
Mm-hmm.
That music's so good. We talk about it.
There's two of them. And that's why you talk over it.
Shut off.
What did? Oh. Yeah, they're doing renovations here. Because there used to be a Carrier round one down that direction. It's gone.
These units definitely look like they still work.
So
Like
they're...
2016.
Yeah, so they're renovating. I think they're putting new ones on the roof. So this unit's probably going to be gone very soon.
Same for this one.
So, you gotta get a good video of it while you can. You used to have another Carrier round one way down that way.
I find it interesting how these carriers are shut off.
I think they're getting ready to replace them all and put them all on the roof. These don't even look that old.
I can't tell what
Is it a 4-blade?
2003 4-ton.
Oh yeah, it is. Elite? Yep. An Elite. Oh, the data sheet's very weird on this one. It's like stretched. Alright. That'll be it.